everyone, welcome to day 311 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video we are looking at how to crochet this waterfall braid stitch. So this stitch is crocheted on a multiple of 13 plus 4. I have 30 stitches over here. I made a foundation row of double crochet. Now the next row is just a simple row of single crochet stitches. So we are just going to make one single crochet into each of these stitches. Okay, so I'll meet you back once I complete those single crochet stitches. Completed a row of single crochet. Now you have to chain 3. This chain 3 counts as one stitch, so you move on to the next stitch. So skip this, move on to the next one and make one double crochet. So including the chain 3, you have to make 4 double crochets to start off this row. Okay, now chain 5, skip 3 and make one single crochet. Again chain 5, skip 3 and make one double crochet into the next 7 stitches. Okay, so basically we are creating the base to create those waterfall braids. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again chain 5. Skip 3, make one single crochet. Chain 5, skip 3 and make 4 double crochet stitches. Okay, chain 5, skip 3 and you have to make one double crochet into each of the remaining double crochet stitches, which will count to 4. Okay, so that completes our row 3. For row 4, you again have to chain 3, which counts as one double crochet. Go into the next stitch, make one double crochet. Basically we are just adding a top up row to those 4 double crochet stitches we made. Okay. Now we are going to work into these 2 chain spaces. Chain 3, make one single crochet into this chain space. Again chain 3, make one single crochet into this chain space. Okay, again chain 3, start your double crochet stitch. Now this is the row where we will be creating the first part of our waterfall braid. Okay, so complete those 7 double crochet stitches. Okay, so we got 7 double crochet stitches and I ripped out one. So chain 7, you're going to connect it. So take out your hook, connect it at the bottom of insert your hook into this very first single crochet where you started the double crochet stitches and pull up a loop. Okay, now chain 1. We are going to work into this loop now. We are going to start off making half double crochets. We have to make 10 half double crochet stitches. We are working on those 7 chains that we created. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so once you have 10 half double crochets, you're just going to continue with your pattern where you again chain 3, make 1 single crochet here, chain 3 again, make 1 single crochet here, again chain 3, start your double crochet row. Okay. So we'll make 4 double crochets. Make sure to make 1 double crochet on the chain 3 as well. So this is the end of row 4, and as you can see we have already created one part of the braid. Again, so basically the middle portion we are creating these braids, and on either side of these braids we are making a mesh lace kind of stitches going on here. So you can decide whatever design you want to work over here. So we are going to make something like a peacock shell over here. You can see this part right here. Okay, so we created 2 mesh stitches and now we have made it into 3. Now in this row we'll be working into only this middle part right here. So again, except that nothing else changes. So you just have to crochet your 4 double crochet stitches here. Chain 3 and make 3 double crochet stitches into the middle space right here. And you're going to again chain 3 and make 7 double crochets on top of this. So now this is the back side of our work. So whenever you get to the front side, you have to crochet this braid. Okay, so we are going to continue making those 7 double crochet stitches. Once you have done with the 7 double crochet stitches, you again have to chain 7, turn your work. So we went 1 row below for this braid, right? So again you have to come back here. Okay, find the previous double crochet stitch and you have to pull out your loop from there. So just pull this part down. So this is the current row you're working on. This is the previous row. You have to go to the foot of the very first double crochet stitch. Bring your hook from behind into that stitch and pull out your loop. Okay. So I pulled it out here. Now you want to be able to work onto these chains over here. So bring your loop above this first braid that you created, chain 1 turn your work. Now you will be able to work on these 7 chains. Make 10 half double crochet stitches. Okay, so every row, whenever you reach the end of the double crochet stitches, you have to reach out to the front portion of this work and make your braid stitches. Okay. Now we are again back at this layer where we chain 3. Okay, you can see the braids forming already. So the next row after the double crochet, you'll be forming a braid like this. So chain 3, turn your work, come back to your original side where you're crocheting. Okay, and make 3 double crochets into this stitch. Again chain 3. Start making your final 4 double crochet stitches. Okay, now again chain 3, turn your work, start making your double crochet stitches. Okay, now again chain 5, make 1 double crochet on top of the middle stitch over here. Okay, sorry, make 1 single crochet on top of the middle stitch over here. Okay, again chain 5, start your double crochet stitches. Okay, and once you complete the double crochet stitches, make the braid stitch, make the half double crochets and continue your work. So that's about this pattern. Once you have done with this row, you have to repeat from row number 4, which is this row. So basically we have repeated row 3 over here. You see the single crochet stitches separated by the chain 5 space. So you have to repeat from row 4 over and over again till you reach the length that you want. Do try out this stitch, and if you have any doubts, you can reach us out in the comment section or DM us on our Instagram page. Thank you for watching, and I'll meet you tomorrow with an interesting crochet stitch.